This fish pie serves 6 people. Start by chopping and peeling 3 large potatoes, and then boil these until they're soft. Now chop and peel about 5 carrots into cubes. Dice 1 onion and then fry with the carrots in some olive oil until softened. Now add in about 2 teaspoons of English mustard or Dijon if you prefer, some salt and pepper, and then half a teaspoon of parsley and half a teaspoon of dill. Now add in about half a pint of milk. I use skimmed milk. And then optionally you can add in a few teaspoons of capers. And then once it is finished cooking, you can take it off the heat and start chopping up 2 fillets of smoked basa and 2 fillets of unsmoked basa. You can use any combinations of fish, but basa is the most economically friendly. Here I've added in a couple of handfuls of prawns, but this is optional. And now you can mash your potatoes once these have cooked. And you can also season with black pepper. And then pour this on top of the fish, along with the potato on top of that. Season again with black pepper, and parsley leaves are optional, and then cook for 40 minutes at 200 degrees. I served mine with peas and a wedge of lemon.